Welcome to the weekly weather briefing for Monday, November 27th. Here's the overview for the week. Active progressive weather will continue this week with a series of storm systems marching through the region, especially on Tuesday, Thursday, and again on Saturday. The main weather to note will be temperatures, which will be cooling off each day and returning to seasonal normals by the weekend. This will also mean a return to snow in the mountains and possibly to the lower elevations as well. Last week's healthy snowpack ranged from near 3,000 feet to over 7,000 feet, with snow amounts of 10 to near 50 inches across portions of the east slopes and the northern mountains. After the mild and wet pattern last week, the snowpack has dwindled. Low elevation snow has melted, with the snowpack confined to the highest peaks of the northern Cascades and the Selkirks, with a foot or more of snow. This melting caused several rises on area rivers over the holiday weekend, with the Stehekin River reaching flood stage briefly on Thanksgiving Day. Here's a water vapor satellite image that shows the progressive pattern with storm systems stacked up to the west. The storm system that brought us the wet weather over the weekend has slipped southeast across the Rocky Mountains, and it still has a good moisture tap. Looking upstream, the next system is in the Gulf of Alaska with a front and is expected to reach the inland northwest by Tuesday. Then another system is near the Aleutian Islands and should arrive by Thursday. These upcoming systems seem to lack significant moisture taps and will be trending colder. On a side note, for satellites, the GOES 16 satellite images will be turned off on November 30th as it prepares for its move to the East Coast. Images will return by mid-December, and then it will be renamed GOES East. After the mild weekend, temperatures will be slowly returning to near seasonal averages. In north central Washington and the Cascades, this should occur late this week. For Spokane and the Idaho Panhandle, temperatures will be nearing normal by the weekend. The Tuesday weather system will initially impact the Cascades early and reach the northern mountains by Tuesday afternoon. There's the potential for significant snow near the Cascade crest, mainly above 4,000 feet, which could impact travel over Stevens Pass. This image of snowfall totals for Monday night through early Wednesday morning. By Wednesday, there's a break in the weather with high pressure building in. There may be a few mountain snow showers over the Panhandle and near the Cascade crest. Winds will be light with areas of fog and low clouds, especially in the northern valleys. Anticipate chilly, sub-freezing temperatures early in the morning. For Thursday's weather system, this should bring another round of snow, albeit very light. Anticipate the snow to reach the Cascades by early Thursday and spread across the region during the afternoon hours. Valleys could expect to see some very light snow accumulations. For the weekend, it still looks unsettled. There looks to be a good chance of valley rain and mountain snow with light amounts on Saturday. This would be followed by more snow showers on Sunday. And then a drier northerly flow will develop. Anticipate cool temperatures. For early next week, there's the potential for another shot of light snow for Monday, and then dry and stable conditions develop with a ridge of high pressure that settles in over the middle of next week. This looks to be a favorable pattern for fog and low clouds. The main impacts will be travel-related, with cooler temperatures and snow returning. Light snow accumulations in the Cascades could affect travelers on early Tuesday morning. More light snow accumulations on Thursday and the weekend in the Cascades and the northern valleys and mountains could also affect travelers. Areas of fog with below freezing temperatures could lead to icy spots on roadways and surfaces, especially on Wednesday morning and early next week. The 8 to 14 day temperature outlook calls for below normal temperatures for much of the region for early December. And then the 8 to 14 day outlook for precipitation calls for below normal precipitation and drier conditions. Just a reminder that winter spotter training is still ongoing. There are 2 classes lined up this week. One Tuesday evening, November 28th in Bonners Ferry. All current or interested weather spotters are welcome to attend. The second class will be on Wednesday, November 29th, right in Spokane at the Gonzaga campus. Again, all current and interested weather spotters are welcome to attend. And if you can't make any of these classes, we will be hosting an online live training on Tuesday evening, December 5th. You can check our NWS Spokane webpage for details. And as always, you can stay up to date for the latest weather forecasts at weather.gov/Spokane or our social media sites. Have a great week and thanks for joining.